This video is for Wix.com. I'm going to show you how to log onto your account and start editing your site. So this can be used for students. This is a video specifically for a customer of mine, but this can also be if you're new to Wix and you're not sure how to navigate it, it can work for that as well. So for starters, you'll go to Wix.com, and then up on the top right, there should be like a little account picture, and you'll sign in. So I'm already signed in, so I'm just going to click on this account up here to open it. Actually, it's already open, just kidding. If you were signing in, you would sign in up there, and then you would see your account screen that you're getting ready to see here in just a minute. So I'm going to hit My Sites, and it's going to take us to the general account screen. And sorry, but my internet is really slow today for whatever reason. So after you sign in, this is the general screen that you will see. And if you had multiple sites, or if you just wanted to create a new one, you could come up here to My Sites, click the drop-down menu, and either create a new one or select the site that you want to work with. We already have this site selected, so I'm just going to click out. So if we're wanting to start editing this website, maybe change some documents on it, change some pictures, whatever, we can hit Manage Site. And then from here, we don't need any of these options. We just need to click Edit Site over on the left. Used to be a lot easier. They've changed this. It's really like techie now, which could be a good thing, I guess. It looks more like it's for developers than it is for your average everyday person just updating a site. Okay, I'm going to pause because this is taking a while. And I'm back. Usually it doesn't take very long for these sites to load, but like I said, I have slow internet today. Okay, so the basic logistics of how to navigate this site. First of all, everything is clickable. Okay, mostly everything is, you can change it just by clicking on it. This one's a little different. I'll explain that here in just a second. But these pictures, for example, if you want to see the pictures, this is actually a slideshow, but you can't navigate it unless you're in preview mode. So to change these pictures, you double click. When you double click, it's going to open up this gallery. Okay, so if you wanted to change these pictures, if you wanted to delete them, you'd hover over it and then hit the trash can. If you wanted to add new pictures, then you would come up here to add new pictures. And I believe, yes, you have to like have all your pictures saved to this website. So if you wanted to create a new folder, you could, or you could just start uploading here by clicking the orange upload button. Normally there would be a bunch of pictures there, but my computer's being slow. That's why they aren't working. Okay, so that's how you would edit the album, and then when you're done, you can hit done down here. And then the only way to view them, like to see what it looks like in a slideshow, is to hit preview. So then when you hit preview, it'll go through the pictures on whatever settings that you have. I think I have it on a 3-second loop. You can also click through. So this is like what the customer would see if they're looking at your site. So they see that little effect down there, and they saw that come in. Okay. So if we like that, we can hit save, or we can just go back to editor and change it to how we want it. Okay, so like I said, everything is clickable. So you can double click this up here and change it. If you want to change the font, it's currently Chelsea Market, but if you wanted something else, you could change it to something else. If you thought it was too big, you could change the size. There's color, settings, everything that you need. Effects down here. You can do a whole bunch of things on this website. Let's see. Pretty much everything is a shape, a picture, or a text box, and they're just like sitting on top of each other. So this is a text box sitting on top of a blue square and then a green square up there. I'm going to hit undo so that I'll put that where it was. So if you view everything as a picture, a text box, or a shape, then you'll be able to navigate and edit things as you want to. Let's see. To navigate through the different pages, it was kind of tricky. It took me a while when I first started this site, but you can't actually click on them from here. There's other websites where you can, and it's really nifty, like Weebly, but this is Wix, and they're kind of different. So up here at the top left, you'll hit the drop-down menu, and let's say you needed to change something on your policies page. So you would click on your policies page, you can click the X on that, and then you can come down here and change what you need. So again, if it's pictures, you're going to double click the pictures. If you need to update like this handbook, for example, if you have a new handbook, we're just going to double click inside the box. And we're going to highlight this text that is actually hyperlinked. And then the hyperlink settings are always going to be in this text settings box that pops up. And it's going to be this little link icon. So we should be able to hit the link icon, and I'm not going to Actually, I'll go ahead and do it so you can see how that works. So I'm just going to take this link out, and then we're going to hit the link again, and it's going to give us these options. Okay, so anytime you're updating links, I would do it that way. Take it out with the little X that popped up, and then click on it to put it back in. And then most of the time, you're probably going to be hyperlinking things to documents. So you'll just click on documents. And of course, you have all these other options too if you needed that. And then choose file. And then just like our pictures, everything has to be uploaded into here. Okay, so if it's not something that's currently on here, then we're going to need to hit upload documents and then find it on your computer and upload it in here. You'll notice that I have a mixture of PDFs and docs. The reason that I do that is because different people's computers have different, they might just need to print it and fill it out on paper, and sometimes it's easier to do that with a PDF, or they might want to type their information on there and print it, so then they would need a Microsoft Word doc. So if you want to change them all to Microsoft Word, you can do whatever you want. I just set it up that way to make it easy for whoever your audience is and whatever computer they have. Okay, so I'm going to look and see what that document was so I can link it to the right thing. Policy handbook. So I'm going to go find that in here. I think it was this one. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to select that, apply, done. Okay, and then now it's hyperlinked. And again, the way for you to see it is to hit preview, and then you can actually click on it. And then it takes us to the most recent handbook that you have. Okay, and I'm gonna go back to editor, and then I'm gonna hit undo, just in case that wasn't the right file. I don't want to make a bunch of changes today. I'm just showing you how to use the site. Okay, so that's how you upload items. That's how you navigate through the different pages. That's how you change different things. I don't really know what else to cover. Of course, if there's anything on here that you don't like I said, everything's clickable. So like this is the photo design. If you don't want it to be blue, you want it to be a different color, you can just hit change design. It's either going to be in settings or it's going to be in design, probably design. And then we can explore our options, change the color, we can customize it. It's totally up to you. So you will not hurt my feelings if you change this site a whole bunch. Or if you change it a little bit, I don't care. It doesn't matter to me. It's your site. You can do whatever you want. So that's how it works. When you're finished with everything, we can't just hit save, because if we just hit save, it'll give you this this dialog box. I cannot talk today. It'll say that you need to publish. Okay, so if you just hit save and then you exit, it's not going to save it to the web. So we'll need to hit publish now. And then congratulations, it'll be published, it'll be live. And then if you want to go view it, you can click view site, and then you can go see what everybody else is seeing on the internet on your real site. So that's pretty much the logistics of Wix and how it works. It's a really great site. I really like it. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks for watching.